Okay guys, I know it looks scary, but it's the only mask I can find. We're doing an update on my kittens. I haven't posted a video in a while because we've been busy lately, and we went to Cuba like a week ago. We've been busy. I've been sick the last few days. So they're doing really good. They are walking now. They have their eyes open. We've named them. So the first one is mine, Mittens. So Mittens. There's Mittens. So Mittens, I'm going to bring the rolling chair closer to Mittens. Ah, come on, Mittens. It's okay, Mittens. So there's Mittens. Really, really cute. Oh, he's crawling away, but there's Mittens, my kitten. She's a girl. She is really sassy. Say hi! Say hi to the subscribers! So there's Mittens. Now this is Riley's. Okay, come on! It's Riley's. This is Paris. A girl. Hi, say hi, Paris. A black and white one. A girl. This is Riley's kitten. She's really cute and cuddly. It is Mittens. I mean, no, not Mittens. Paris. Like, I can barely breathe in this mask. You see this? This Paris. Mittens is like the troublemaker of the group. This is my cousins and the girl. And the girl's kitten. This is Spike. This is so cute. And in my last video, I forgot to put the E in cute. So, I'm not going to cut the kittens. Don't worry. So there is Spike. Really cute. They all know how to walk, but they sometimes crawl. So the last one, this is my brother, who hasn't been in my video yet on my YouTube channel. This is Fang. Say hi, Fang! He's the fattest of the group. He's very cute. He's one of the cutest, I think. He's really fat. So, I'm not going to let him fall. He's going to take over for a little bit. So he's very cute. You guys are probably going to put lots of dislikes on this video. I'm probably not going to be a big of a fan of this video either, even if it's mine. But I'm getting look out for this on February the 3rd when Sun and Moon comes out. I'm going to be getting probably packs, if not probably 4. So that's what I'm really excited about. So this is the final kitten that I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so let's go. Willow. Say hi, Willow. We got the box. There's Willow. Pretty cute. So guys, thank you for watching. And just to tell you of my Black Ops 3 game, I got up to level 43. So I have I had the Ripper. He's really awesome. He has this like sword kind of thing that comes out of his hand. And my main gun I'm using is the Brecci. It's a shotgun that I use like all the time now, and it's maxed level. But it's really good, so I'm probably gonna make a video on that probably tomorrow, if not later, like later today or the next day, because we have school tomorrow. It's Sunday right now. Yeah, this is what it looks like outside in Canada right now. It's snowing in Canada. I'm probably gonna watch that. It's probably all white. Is it? Let me see. Let me move that. And move this. Is it? No. It's okay. But it's snowing. Hunter might come over. The panda guy's probably gonna come over. We're probably gonna play Black Ops 3 or something. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you think I'm scary looking. If not, I will try to get another mask. But, yeah, see you guys later. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye!